Now that spring has finally sprung, it's time to give everything a good washing. Fiberbuilt has just the tool to help get the job done. Introducing the Guttermaster flow-through extension pole. Originally developed in 1994 by two Canadians from Fraser Valley, BC, this pole can extend from 3 feet all the way to 6 feet. As the name suggests, this extension pole is hollow, providing flow-through capabilities. Just connect your water source to the garden hose connector at the bottom. Attach a flow-through brush to the standard broom threaded tip on the end. Twist the valve to on, and you're good to go. This is a perfect setup for washing vehicles, building exteriors, flooring, basically whatever you can think of. The foam grips that cover the anodized aluminum body makes it very comfortable to use, as well as keeping the cold metal off your hands. But what if you don't need the flow-through feature and you're just looking for a longer broom handle? Well, since the threaded tip fits most broom heads, thread on whatever brush fits your needs. And here at Gregg's, we have a ton of different broom heads for every scenario. So, let's extend your reach and get things clean with this week's feature product, the Guttermaster flow-through extension pole from Fiberbuilt. What application would you use this for? Let us know in the comment section, and subscribe to keep up with our 100% Canadian content. Thanks for watching. Bye!